Hello students, myself Chaitali Patil from Samarpan Gyan School. Today I am going to teach lesson number 1, calligraphic sketches of class 2. Students, you can see here different types of lines. These lines are called calligraphy lines. In first box, here are standing lines and sleeping lines, or you can say it straight lines. So for this box, here one blank box is given, and this box is of 5 cm by 5 cm. So you have to put dots of 1 cm at the 4 sides and then join this box dots with lines. Like this, you have to lines to join both the sides. These are standing lines. Okay. Our boxes are ready. Now look here. In first box, standing 3 lines given. So you have to draw these 3 lines, standing lines. Don't use scale to draw these lines. Then in second box, there are sleeping lines. Again standing lines. You have to complete the whole box like this way only. Okay. In second box, you can see the lines are like a wave. So these lines are called wavy lines. Like this, you have to draw the lines in the given box, and you have to complete the box with these wavy lines for more practice. I think you understand. Now look at the third box. Here lines are given like zigzag. So these lines are called zigzag lines. Here for same measurement you can draw standing lines very lightly so that you can take proper distance. Then draw the lines as I given. Okay, like this you have to complete this third box also. Okay, and here in last box there are distance, some gaps between line, means lines is breaking. So these lines are called dotted lines. And this is the example of rain also. To show rain in your drawing, you can use these dotted lines, and for this you can use scale to make it straight. Like this you have to complete this box also. I think you understand all these types of lines, and the main thing is that line is the main element to draw any type of drawing. So students, I think you understand all the lines. So complete this work and do the practice of more lines. Thank you.